What if the car you're looking at right now silently redefines how you drive, save money, and experience the future every single day, without ever visiting a gas station again? Because the 2026 Nissan LEAF isn't just refreshed, it's reimagined for a world that's finally ready for electric driving. The moment the showroom lights hit the Seabreeze blue pearl paint, you realize this isn't the LEAF you remember. And that's where the suspense begins. Because Nissan didn't just upgrade a battery or add a screen. They reshaped the identity of one of the world's most iconic electric cars, blending sleek aerodynamics, smarter range management, and a premium interior that quietly challenges vehicles far more expensive. And as you walk around it, you start asking yourself why so many people still hesitate about EVs when a car like this exists, promising lower running costs, instant torque, zero emissions, and technology designed to make daily driving simpler, smoother, and more intuitive than ever before. Yet Nissan has hidden some of its smartest moves beneath a calm, minimalist design that doesn't scream for attention but rewards those who look closer. Because behind that smooth front fascia lies a refined electric system built for reliability, efficiency, and long-term ownership. And just when you think you've seen it all, subtle design choices, intelligent driver assist features, and seamless software integration begin to reveal a deeper strategy aimed at commuters, families, and first-time EV buyers alike. Raising one important question, is this finally the electric car that makes switching feel effortless instead of risky? Stay with me, because in a moment, we'll come back to one overlooked feature that quietly changes everyday driving more than any horsepower number ever could. And as we continue, remember how that exterior looked under the white showroom lights, because Nissan designed every curve for a reason, from reducing drag to maximizing cabin space, and those choices directly impact how the LEAF feels on the road. Now here's the function part that truly matters. The 2026 Nissan LEAF focuses on real-world usability with improved range efficiency, refined regenerative braking that adapts to driving conditions, smoother power delivery for city traffic, and a chassis tuned for comfort without sacrificing confidence, making it ideal for daily commutes, school runs, and long urban drives, while the cabin introduces a cleaner layout, upgraded materials, a more responsive infotainment system, and improved sound insulation that transforms silence into a premium experience rather than an absence of noise. And this is where Nissan surprises you again. Because instead of overwhelming drivers with complexity, the LEAF simplifies everything from charging schedules to route planning, learning your habits, and adjusting energy usage accordingly. Now here's the second hook that changes perspective completely. This car doesn't try to impress you in 5 minutes, it convinces you over 5 years, and that's where the ownership experience comes in. Because driving the 2026 Nissan LEAF feels calm, predictable, and reassuring. From instant torque at traffic lights to smooth one-pedal driving that reduces fatigue, while the seating position, visibility, and quiet cabin make even stressful commutes feel manageable. And Nissan strategically positions this vehicle as an emotional bridge between traditional cars and the electric future, inviting drivers who want progress without pressure. So here's the strategic call. If you're considering an EV, don't just look at range numbers and acceleration claims, look at how the car fits into your daily life, your budget, and your routine. Because the LEAF's strength is balance, not extremes. Now let's talk system. Because under the calm exterior lies a refined electric architecture built on years of real-world data, featuring advanced battery thermal management, intelligent energy distribution, updated safety systems like PowerLux assist, lane-keeping support, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking, all working together as a cohesive ecosystem rather than isolated features. And Nissan software updates keep the system evolving, ensuring your car doesn't feel outdated after just a few years, which creates an emotional connection many drivers don't expect, because the LEAF becomes a quiet partner in daily life, saving money, reducing stress, and offering a sense of contribution to a cleaner future without asking for SEPI. And that emotional pull grows every time you pass a gas station, plug in at home, or enjoy the smooth silence of electric driving at night, while the technology story continues deeper. With an improved electric motor delivering instant response, optimized battery chemistry for longer life, smarter regenerative braking, enhanced driver assist sensors, and seamless smartphone integration that keeps navigation, music, and charging information always within reach. And Nissan didn't forget safety, reinforcing the body structure, improving crash protection, and integrating advanced monitoring systems that work quietly in the background so you don't notice them until they save you. And just when you think the story is complete, here's the surprise ending. The 2026 Nissan LEAF isn't trying to be the most powerful or the longest-range EV, it's aiming to be the easiest electric car to live with. And that might be the smartest move of all, Because in a world chasing extremes, Nissan focused on reality. But might be the smartest move of all, because in a world chasing extremes, Nissan focused on reality, and that's exactly why this Leaf could become the most important electric car of 2026. Keywords 2026 Nissan Leaf. Nissan Leaf 2026 review. Electric car 2026, best EV for daily driving, Nissan Leaf Seabreeze Blue Pearl. Affordable electric vehicle, EV technology Nissan, future electric cars, zero emission car, Nissan EV system, electric hatchback 2026, Nissan Leaf features EV range, efficiency, electric vehicle safety systems, next generation Nissan Leaf. High CTR automotive review. This is PowerLux. Power, performance, prestige. Follow for more unstoppable machines.